السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. In this video, we will study the orthogonal straight lines, relative positions of two planes, and the orthogonal projection of a straight line on a plane. Two straight lines, D and D1 are orthogonal, as we see here on the figure. D and D1 are orthogonal when D is perpendicular to a straight line parallel to D1. So D2 and D1 are parallel, D perpendicular to D2. We say that D is orthogonal to D1. In this figure, D is perpendicular to D2, and also D is perpendicular to D1. Also, we have D is orthogonal to D1 since D is perpendicular to its parallel D2. D1 and D2 are parallel, D perpendicular to D2, then D is orthogonal to D1. But in fact, D is perpendicular to D1 because D cuts D1. D cuts D1. So this perpendicular can be written as orthogonal. In this figure, D is perpendicular to D1 and D is orthogonal to D1. Remember that a straight line D is perpendicular to a plane when D is orthogonal to all the straight lines in P. Relative positions of two planes. If we have two planes, they are either parallel like this, they don't have any point in common. Any straight line in plane P is parallel to the plane Q, and any straight line in Q is parallel to the plane P. Every straight line D perpendicular to P is perpendicular to Q. If two planes are parallel, every straight line perpendicular to one of them is perpendicular to the other because we can construct in P two intersecting straight lines parallel to two intersecting straight lines in Q. Since D is orthogonal to these two straight lines, it is orthogonal to their parallels. Then it is perpendicular to Q. Confounded planes. All the points of P are in Q and all the points of Q are in P. They are the same plane. Intersecting, we have here a plane in blue color and a plane maybe in red. These two planes intersect along what? Along a straight line D. Orthogonal projection of a point on a plane. We have a point, we draw from this point a straight line perpendicular to P. This straight line cuts the plane P at a point A prime, called the orthogonal projection of A on P. So, to construct the orthogonal projection of a point on a plane, we should construct the straight line passing through A and perpendicular to P. This straight line cuts P at A prime. The orthogonal projection of a straight line on a plane P. Given a straight line D, cutting the plane P, sometimes the straight line D is parallel to P. The orthogonal projection of D is the orthogonal projection of all the points on D, as we will see here. This is a point on D. It's orthogonal projection on plane P. And this, we have here a point, it's a orthogonal projection at this point. The orthogonal projection of the intersection is the point itself. Then the orthogonal projection of D is the straight line passing through this point, this one, and this one. D prime is called the orthogonal projection of D on plane P. Thanks for following and good luck.